Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, and this is Chef Jim Gardner. He's my friend and an excellent gourmet, and he's great with everything. And today we're going to be doing our 100th video, and it's going to be filet mignon on the Blackstone and Alaskan king crab legs with a Bernaise sauce or without Bernaise sauce. So folks, we'll be right back.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So we're back now, and the first thing I want to do is we got these Alaskan king crab legs that I bought. So Jim's going to show you how to open up the crab leg, Alaskan king crab, and inside is this beautiful meat. And inside the meat, though, you got to watch out. There's these stays. They're like little plastic, and he's going to crack that open. We'll buy them pre-cracked, and look at that, beautiful, a thing of beauty. And you can see inside, those are what I call the stays. And you don't want to eat those, you'll choke on them. This is a tenderloin, a choice Angus tenderloin with the heavy fat cut off, but it still has the silver skin on. And I break it down into like 5 pieces. And Jim's going to show you how to take the silver skin off. And I'm going to point out after that the different pieces. Now what I'm going to show you before Jim takes the rest of the silver skin off, this is the main part of the tenderloin. This piece here I cut off is called the calf. This piece here they call the tail, and they cut that into small fillets. And this is what they call a strap. And that you can make stroganoff out of, or you can make many petite brochettes out of. But like I said, Jim's going to cut this as a silver skin as soon as I get.
Okay, I'm going to remove this.
Yeah.
Put it over here. Same thing here, here.
That too.
Oh, where'd that come from?
I stole it. So that's all done.
All right.
So what he's going to do, see if you get the tip.
What I want to do is give your finger hold on it first.
Yeah. There you go. Just getting that piece of silver skin because that's very tough and you don't want to eat that. You might get it in a restaurant, but you don't get it here. Make sure you have a sharp knife.
And good fingers.
And good fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Perfect. Alright. Blackstone, now we're going to put a little butter on it and we got some nice pretzel rolls or pretzel buns cooked. And then we got a couple other like sourdough buns. And then we're going to go into cooking the cutting the fillets up for our steaks. Alright. Jim is now, he's put butter and olive oil on the Blackstone griddle. He's going to brown the buns, and we got some pretzel buns, and we have some sourdough buns. We're going to take those off after they brown a little bit, and then we're going to, I'll cut the steaks. And Jim's going to cook the steaks for me, season them, put them on the side. The first part of the grill is shut off, and then we're going to put the crab meat on. Bing, 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 the crab meat's already cooked. We're just going to warm it through. And finish it off with a Bernaise sauce, and that's going to be a beautiful, like, filet Oscar type sandwich with crab meat, Bernaise sauce, and maybe probably a little asparagus if you want on the side, and we'll serve it with a small salad. Blackstone griddles are the rage today. Everybody wants to go with Blackstone, and now they're building some with air fryers in them, and apartments, and rocket ships and cars, all kinds of stuff. But this is the basic Blackstone griddle, and for my use, it's perfect.
Wow, soaking. We'll see who comes out first on that.
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah, see, it's toasted up.
Okay. Sometimes these Blackstone grills are a little persnickety, so you just gotta give them a chance to do what they want to do.
Come on. Okay.
Okay, our buns are toasted. So now what I'm going to do is cut the fillets up, and then Jim's going to put them on the griddle and season them, and then he's going to pull those off to the side, and then we're going to put the king crab meat on. You only got to cook it for a couple seconds. Bam, bam, bam. I'm going to put the steak on the bun, the crab meat on top, finish it with a little Bernaise sauce and some asparagus. Okay. This beef tenderloin was $130, so it's not for the faint of heart. And if you go to the store and they say filet of beef or filet of steak, they don't say tenderloin. It's usually sirloin steak. So it's something that make sure you ask your.
So it's not a fillet.
It's not a filet. Basically, just the filet means boneless. You're going to push those down. You can see how beautiful, how marbled these steaks are. Sorry, board. Oh, it's board.
Really flattens out nicely though.
Yeah. On the smaller pieces of meat, what they call butterflying. Got the tongs there. Tip them like that.
Oh yeah.
Is that cool?
Sure.
Pepper comes out a little short, a little slower.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. And I'll eat outside unless they want to eat inside.
Okay.
But
Did you guys
if I can have a wet rag,
Okay.
I'll appreciate it. And another
Can I
half
put
one.
this in a bag?
Put in a bag.
A little herb butter on them.
Yeah.
That's all I'm putting.
And one more half pan if you got a chance.
I'm gonna wash out that one and I'll give it to you.
Chef Jen's just trying to butter me up.
That's all.
But boom.
Are you going to assemble them over there?
We will.
These?
Yeah, there you go. That's hot.
You'll think of it.
Yep.
Just give me a yell.
So the next thing that Jim's going to do is put on the crab meat that we cleaned. And we're going to throw a little asparagus on because this is real similar to a dish that's called Alaskan.
You gonna do the assembly?
Yes.
All right.
So now what we're going to do, Jim, I should put my espresso roll on here. Then we're going to put one of the nice fillets, some of the nice crab meat that Jim cooked over on the Blackstone. A couple spears of fresh asparagus. And then we're going to put a little Bernaise sauce on. Stir it up. Now I used, so not to be scared with anything, a package of more holiday sauce, and I added tarragon and tarragon vinegar. That's thank the military for their service, keeping America safe and strong. I'd like to thank Mike's Everyday BBQ for giving me my start. I have 4 or 5 videos on his station, Mike's. Shout out to Mojo Chillin' and Grillin'. He got me a bunch of subscribers. And we have now 1,044 subscribers and about 4,500 followers. So I thank you. Jim thanks you. But what's that, Jim? You're hungry? Yeah, me too. We're going to clean up a little bit, and then, oh, my little dog is hungry too. That's it. See you next time for video 101.